Yes, student. Today we are doing exercise 9.1, question number second. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So here we have to find the height of the tree. Let us do the solution. First of all, we're going to draw the figure. Let this be a tree. This be the broken part which bend. This is the distance from the base. From this point, the tree has been broken. Let the height of the tree be marked as AB. AB is the height of the tree. From the point O it has been bent and OA the top portion came down. The angle is 30 degree. This we can say angle of elevation. Let the measurement of AO equal to X and OB equal to Y. Let OA equal to X meter and OB equal to Y meter. Then height of tree is equal to X plus Y meter. So we have to find the value of X and Y. So for this we're going to consider the triangle OBA. In this triangle we can observe one of the angle is 90 degree, that is angle B. It is equal to 90 degree. 10 30 degree. We're going to use the trigonometric ratio 10 30 degree. First we're going to find the value of Y. So that's why we are taking 10 30 degree perpendicular upon base. The value of base is given 8 meters. So that's why we are taking base. Perpendicular is the side opposite to the angle 30 degree. So OB upon AB, the value of OB is Y. The measurement of AB is 8 according to question. According to trigonometric table, the value of 10 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Now here we have to do the calculation work. So after calculation, this gives Y equal to 8 root 3 upon 3. We're going to transpose 8 to the another side and then rationalize the denominator. So we'll get 8 upon 3 root 3. Again taking triangle, we're going to find the value of x. So again we have to take the triangle. Now we're going to take the trigonometric ratio cos 30 degree because we have to find the value of x, which is the hypotenuse. So this is base upon hypotenuse. The base according to the triangle is AB and the hypotenuse is OA. The value of cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2 equal to the value of AB is 8 and the value of OA is x. So here also we're going to do the calculation. So solving it we get x is equal to 16 root 3 upon 3. Now we get the value of x and y. So for finding the height of the tree, we have to add the value of x and y. That is 16 root 3 upon 3 plus 8 root 3 upon 3. Now here the denominator is same, so we're going to take the LCM. we get 24 upon 3 root 3. So with the table of 3 we can cancel 24. So this gives the value as 8 root 3 meter. So this way we can say the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. If the value of root 3 is given in the question, then substitute, otherwise leave the answer up to here. Now note some point. If we get any value as 8 upon root 3, it means whenever you get such a value in which the denominator is irrational number, then what we have to do? Since denominator is irrational number, so rationalize it. So we have to rationalize the denominator. Now how to rationalize the denominator? Let us see. First we are taking the number that is 8 upon root 3. At the denominator we have root 3, so we're going to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by root 3. Whatever be the number you have as at the denominator, multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by it. Now multiplying numerator by numerator, we get 8 into root 3 equal to 8 root 3, and at the denominator root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 3. So this way you can do the calculation. Thank you.